Hey guys, I'm back with a new video. In this video, let us learn about video and audio elements in HTML5. In HTML5, we have a great support for embedding video and audio content to our HTML web pages. Let us see how we can embed audio and video to our web pages. So for this, let us use a free stock video from pixabay.com. So head over to pixabay.com and download a free stock video that you can use for this example, and then right inside the HTML folder, create a new folder, videos, and right inside that folder, add the video that you downloaded and give it a descriptive name so we can later reference it from our HTML file. Now let us create a new HTML file inside our HTML folder and name it as videoaudio.html. videoaudio.html. So right inside this file, let us quickly scaffold our basic HTML boilerplate, so exclamation and tab, and give the title as video and audio in HTML. Now to embed a video right inside our web page, we use the video element that is provided by HTML5. Just like the image element that we saw in the previous video, we have the src attribute. Now here we define the source of the video. So let us reference our video right here. The src attribute will now point to videos/development.mp4. So here we are using a relative URL, but you can also use an absolute URL. That is totally fine. So let us give it a preview in the browser to see how our video looks on the web page. So currently it is showing a very large image that is spanning horizontally. So let us fit it to our viewport. Again, we can style our video element using CSS, but for now let us do this with the attributes that we can apply on the video element to shrink this a bit. So let us set the height and the width of the video. So right here, let us set the height to 200 and width to 400. Save this and give it a preview. Now there is still something missing. We don't have the controls to work with the video. Currently, it's just a simple image and nothing more. So let us add the controls to see the video in action. And it is really dead simple to add controls from HTML. We just need to add the controls attribute on the video element. So right here, add the controls attribute. So this controls attribute here is a Boolean attribute. Just its mere presence informs the HTML page that we want controls for our video. If we just remove it from the video element, the controls will be gone. Okay, so let us give this a preview in the browser, and here you can see the video. Let me play this. Okay, so you can see it is getting played. Next, we also have an autoplay attribute, and what it does is that it automatically starts playing the video when the page gets loaded, right? So let me add this and then give it a preview. So autoplay, and this is also a Boolean attribute. So if you define this attribute on the video element, it will start playing automatically once the page gets loaded, right? So let us give this a preview. Now another important attribute that we can use on a video element is the loop. So if we apply this attribute, the video will automatically loop. So let us see this in action. So right here, let us add the loop Boolean attribute and give this a preview in the browser. So our video is now running. And you can see once it gets completed, it starts again, right? So it is looping. So it will keep playing back and forth without terminating, okay? Now most of the modern browsers doesn't support the video element except a few. To see what HTML features are supported by which browser, navigate to caniuse.com and here type video. And there you can see the browser support that is available for different HTML features. So for the video element, you can see Firefox version 2 and 3 doesn't support video element. There is full support for video element for the Chrome browser, which we are currently using, right? So if the browser for a user doesn't support the video element, then for that case we can specify the fallback text. So now let us talk about the audio element. Now here let us see for audio element as well. And here you can see Chrome supports it completely from version 4 to 87, 88 and 89 to 91. Now for the audio element, we have exactly the same set of attributes. So to define an audio element, you have to say audio. Press tab and here you specify the source for your audio. and then you can set the controls by using the controls boolean attribute, and in order to loop it, you can use the loop attribute, and for autoplaying, the autoplay attribute, right? So this was all I wanted to cover about video and audio elements in HTML. If you liked the video, do give it a thumbs up or comment down below if you have any query. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and I will see you guys in the very next one.